Okay, enough of that bullet. GranBali at FM. Let's play Sicilian Ne2. Oh, he's not going to have it, is he? Nope. I'll try H5 to stop this bishop H6 nonsense. So knight D4, maybe knight C6. Hopefully with a good position. Can I play F5? Just to make sure F5 from white is not happening. Carry on with queenside expansion. There's C3, there's knight B5 for a moment. Okay, so queenside expansion plan, B5, B4. Do I need to play anything here? Oh, there's takes for that, so okay. C6 is vulnerable. Queen H4 might be annoying because he hasn't got a knight on F3. Difficult to reroute a knight to F3 to evict the queen. Oh, my queen's trapped. Hang on. That's not good, is it? Do I worry about it or not worry about it? I suppose I should worry about it. So E5 for an evasion. E takes and bishop H3. How quickly going to be trapped? Okay, so how quickly will it be trapped? Bishop F2 is coming up. So I need to get G5. Or bishop E5, Queen G5. There's knight E5 protecting G6 for a moment. So bishop F2, Queen G5. Queen G5, knight D5. Winning C7 knight. So, given that's the case, protect C7 ridiculously. Do I need to protect C7 with rook C8? And lose B7, doesn't matter about that one. But rook C8, keep the rook on F8. Because this knight D5 business attacking the queen once Queen G5 will be hitting this. Oh, Queen D8, Queen D8. Sitting ghosts here, Queen D8. So Queen G5 is on. Queen G5 is a threat. So let's see, knight D5. Knight D5, bishop F2. Just trying to trap the queen. It's Queen H3, bishop H3, knight F3 check. Queen H3 is a resource there. This knight's quite good on E5, protecting the position. So bishop, Queen H3 and knight F3 if bishop F2. So Queen G5, knight D5, Queen D8. If knight D5, knight D5, bishop F2, Zwischenzug. Queen H3, bishop H3, knight F3, winning the queen. I hope my calculations are good. Hope he's missed all of that. Also, okay, that's this theme of F3 when it's EF and bishop H3. There's bishop F2. That wouldn't be so. No, there's Queen G4 there, so that's good as well. I can get access to G4 if I knock out H3. Aha. So he's decoying the knight for bishop F2. There's Queen F4 there. Bishop F2, Queen F4. The knight's actually supporting F4. Wow, good stuff in this game, tactically. Does he trap the queen or not? Loses his queen. Oh dear. I'm sorry. He's a nice guy, this guy. I think he's done well in the Gatwick tournament recently. He's about my FIDE rating. Yep. So there's a lot going on tactically here. Can white actually win the queen? Maybe we'll do a computer analysis. Can white actually win the queen here after knight E5? So he can try knight D5, bishop F2, but there seems to be Queen H3. Actually, I'll tell him. Oh, it's interesting to look at anyway. Okay, maybe the queen, you know, it was good to try and get it almost right, because it's tactically, there's a lot of things going on. G5 is weak. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.